everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today we're making breakfast burritos.
What you'll need is some bacon, eggs, tortillas, sweet potato, green onion, red onion, and cheese.
Pro tip, if you pop your bacon in the freezer for like 5 to 10 minutes before you go to cut it up, it makes life way easier. So do yourself a favor, put it in the freezer first. So we're gonna start browning our bacon over medium heat. Once again, here we are with my beautiful high-tech stove. Enjoy. It's been cooking for about 4 minutes at this point. We want to keep going. Oh yeah, that's what we want right there. Now, obviously you don't want to eat it like that, but we have more steps coming. So, what you're gonna do now is drain off a little bit of the fat.
You can drain it off and save it to make face cream. I'm kidding. Clearly that would give you horrible, horrible acne.
We're not looking to take all of the fat out of there, but some of it. This is about 2 medium sweet potatoes. You don't want your pieces huge, but you don't want them tiny. About the size of a dice.
Mama needs a new pair of shoes. Ka-ching!
Season with black pepper, generously. So we'll keep cooking this on medium heat, but we want to put a cover on top. This has been cooking for 7 or 8 minutes. The sweet potatoes are just about cooked through. We want them to be soft, but not mushy. Oh yeah. Now we can add in our red onion. This is about a half an onion, diced fine. The next step, we'll take our filling, put it in a bowl. If you roll the burritos with super hot filling, they're going to be more likely to get soggy. So we want this filling just to come to room temperature before we go to the burritos. Add your cheese if you're using it. We like cheese around here.
Even though it goes straight to the caboose.
Take a moment to hug your cutie. Now that your filling has cooled down a little bit, you can make an assembly line. Put out your pieces of foil, tortilla, now it's time to roll. Rolling with the homies. Bonus points if you know the movie. Make sure your hands are clean for this. We're gonna fold it over, tuck